Hey Wagwan, I've got so many questions on my Instagram. People DMing me asking me why can't they apply for AMP or why they got declined. That's a question that has been bothering so many people and actually happened to me as a person. If you're interested in knowing why your application was not granted, then let's get into the video right away. I'm KIDAAX, aka Superstar Trap Boy. If you are new here on my channel, kindly hit on the red subscribe button and bell icon to get notified whenever I drop videos like this. If you're interested in the video, let's get into the video right away. Yeah, the first reason why you can't get monetized or why you can't apply for the AMP is if you haven't reached the threshold. If you are not yet an authenticated creator, you can't apply for AMP. That's the main thing. That's the first thing, the first reason why you can't apply for the AMP, the Audiomack monetization program. That's the meaning of AMP. That's the first reason why you can't apply for AMP. But the second reason is you might have violated some terms of and condition of Audiomack which you are not supposed to do. Some things you are not supposed to do, like spamming or juicing. You are not supposed to do on the Audiomack platform. And have done that, or you don't own the exclusive rights to the content on your uh, on your account. That's the second reason why you can't get monetized, right? You can't apply for the AMP, the Audiomack monetization program. Those are the two reasons why you can't apply. But after applying, that if you are a certificate creator, after applying for AMP and you got a mail like this telling you your application was denied, was declined, then there's something you can do. You have to apply after 120 days. And before replying after 120 days, you have to contact Audiomack and ask for an appeal. That's what you need to do. After you received an email like this telling you your application could not be approved at this time, you can just scroll down to the mail, and if you own all exclusive rights to the content on your account, then you contact Audiomack to submit an appeal. So you click on contact us, then you can now fill in the necessary spaces, then you submit an appeal to Audiomack. That's how to go about sending an appeal to Audiomack. If you enjoyed the video, kindly hit on the red subscribe button below, hit on the like button to support our channel, and don't forget to hit on the channel on the bell icon to get notified whenever I drop videos like this. Follow me on all social media. I'm on Instagram at KIDAAX_the_great_. I'm on Facebook as KIDAAX, Twitter KIDAAX_clean. Until we meet in the next video, peace.